Interconnects are going to be the future, and that is how high density interconnects and high density silicon can come into the picture. It can be in 2-dimensional, 2.5 dimensions, and the 3 dimensions. One of the major enablers for this has been UCIe, Universal Chiplet Interconnect Express. In this series of talks, I, Dr. G. S. Javed, Chief Information Officer and founder King Consultants Education, will make an attempt to make UCIe easy. And in this series of talks, we will learn about the various analog relevant information in this program. UCIe stands for Universal Chiplet Interconnect Express. It's an open industry standard designed to enable high-speed die-to-die communication between different semiconductor chiplets within a single package. It allows mixing and matching of components from various manufacturers. Let us do an extremely quick overview about what UCIe is and understand what are the various layers that is coming into the picture. And the image on the left hand side shows 3 specific layers called the protocol layer, die-to-die adapter layer, and the physical layer. The physical layer deals with the electrical characteristics and signaling methods used for data transmission. Link initialization, training, power states, lane mapping and remapping, scrambling, and lane and reversal come into this picture. Here you see a lot of electrical spec and the analog front end being present. UCIe specifies a high-speed, low-power physical layer that supports data rates up to 32 Gbps per pin as per the 2.0 specification. Then they have your distribution layer, where the physical layer now moves to a die-to-die adapter. This adapter layer takes care of link management functionality as well as protocol arbitration. It includes an optical error correction functionality which is based on a CRC and retry mechanism. You also have parameter negotiation as part of this adapter layer. On the top is the protocol layer, which defines the rules and convention for data exchange, including command sets and response formats. This layer ensures compatibility between chiplets from different manufacturers. And if you see, some of the major protocols that are included as part of this protocol layer are PCIe, Peripheral Connect Interface 6.0, where you have both PAM4 and NRZ signaling as back calculation, the CXL 3.0, CXL 2.0, and the streaming information. In the next slide, in the next section, we will talk about how die-to-die interfaces and chip aggregation and chip disaggregation are benefiting using UCIe. Thank you.